Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to install HBO Max on your Sony Smart TV in just a few minutes. Whether you want to watch blockbuster movies, HBO Originals, DC content, or trending TV shows, this guide will help you get started quickly and easily. So let's jump right into it. Step 1. Connect your Sony TV to the internet. Before installing HBO Max, make sure your Sony Smart TV is connected to the internet. Go to Settings, select Network and Internet, make sure your Wi-Fi connection is active. Step 2. Open Google Play Store. Now, from your Sony TV home screen, navigate to the Apps section. Open the Google Play Store. This is where you can download apps directly onto your Sony Smart TV. Step 3. Search for HBO Max. Select the search icon. Type HBO Max using the on-screen keyboard. When the HBO Max app appears in the search results, select it. Step 4. Install the app. Now simply click the Install button. The app will begin downloading and installing automatically. This may take a minute depending on your internet speed. Step 5. Open HBO Max. Once installation is complete, select Open. Launch the HBO Max app. You're almost done. Conclusion. And that's it. You've successfully installed HBO Max on your Sony Smart TV. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Smart TV tutorials and streaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.